Welcome to DepthSight, an enterprise-grade, open-source platform for algorithmic trading. Building complex strategies has never been this simple. Just describe your trading idea in plain text, and our built-in AI copilot will do all the heavy lifting for you.
In just seconds, the artificial intelligence builds the complete logic right into the visual drag-and-drop editor. DepthSight offers over 40 specialized blocks. The platform doesn't just look at indicator charts. It analyzes real market mechanics like order book density, liquidity microstructure, and volume confirmations.
Strategy ready? Let's test it on historical data. Set your dates and launch the backtest. Our custom vector engine enables lightning-fast backtesting, processing massive datasets with zero lag. In the Research Center, you get a detailed report for every task, visualizing key metrics on an interactive equity chart. DepthSight's killer feature is absolute logical transparency. Click on any trade, and you'll see a detailed decision tree right on the chart. The platform shows the exact status of every filter and condition at the moment of entry. No black boxes. You know exactly why the bot made its decision. The Analytics tab provides deep insights into your system's performance, from cumulative P&L to detailed trigger statistics. Notice how every trade is visualized directly on the trading charts. But what elevates DepthSight to an institutional level are dynamic links. In DepthSight, blocks don't just act independently, they talk to each other. The dynamic links feature allows one block to use the output of another. For example, instead of using a standard fixed stop loss, you can dynamically place it right behind a massive order book wall detected by a foundation block. Or automatically set your take profit at a significant historical level found by another component. This transforms your strategy from a rigid algorithm into an adaptive system that understands market structure. Want to take these results to the next level? Just ask the AI copilot again. The AI analyzes your live trades and backtest results to provide actionable trading recommendations. For instance, the regime change block uses the AI Oracle to detect if the market phase changes from growth to a crash, allowing the bot to exit trades in advance. With a single click, you can load these optimized parameters directly into the editor for deployment. But DepthSight is more than just a personal trading tool. It connects you to a federated discovery hub, where you can import verified strategy templates, share trading ideas, and view a live global node network map. Under the hood, DepthSight is an enterprise-grade multi-tenant SaaS in a box. With built-in Redis quota management, isolated user environments, and native Bitcart crypto billing, it provides the complete infrastructure to launch your own commercial platform. You bring the traffic, DepthSight handles the execution,